Looking for the best cordless drill for your DIY projects? We've rounded up the top 5 drills that offer power, precision, and great value. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these drills will make your tasks easier and more efficient. Let's check out the top picks. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Cordless Drill. Meet your ultimate DIY companion, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill or Driver. This reliable tool is designed to handle a wide range of household projects effortlessly. With a high-performance motor that delivers 115 inch-pounds of torque and speeds reaching 650 revolutions per minute, it powers through wood, metal, and plastic with ease. Weighing only 3.15 pounds, it's light enough for comfortable use, even in tight or overhead spaces, so you can work longer without fatigue. Its 11-position clutch provides superb control to prevent overdrilling and protect screws from damage, while the keyless chuck ensures quick and easy bit changes. The 20V Max Power Connect battery system guarantees consistent performance throughout any project, and the built-in LED light illuminates dark work areas. Though some users suggest battery life could be improved, the BLACK+DECKER stands out for its affordability, compact design, and reliable power. Number 4. AVID Power Cordless Drill Set. Affordable yet effective, the AVID Power 20V Max Cordless Drill Set is your go-to tool for everyday DIY projects. This versatile drill boasts 280 lbs of torque and features a 15+1 position clutch, allowing precise control for driving screws or drilling into wood, plastic, or metal. With variable speed 0550 RPM and an electric brake, you'll achieve exceptional accuracy, whether tackling delicate tasks or more challenging ones. Its compact, lightweight design, coupled with a comfortable rubber grip, ensures you can work for extended periods without strain. The real-time battery indicator keeps you aware of power levels, while an integrated LED light brightens hard-to-reach areas. Adding to its value, the 22-piece accessory kit includes various bits and a flexible shaft for tricky spots. Number 3. WORX 20V Cordless Drill. For power, precision, and versatility, look no further than the WORX 20V Cordless Drill. This compact yet powerful drill delivers 265 lbs of torque and features 2 speed settings, making it perfect for tasks ranging from delicate screw driving to drilling into tougher materials like hardwood or steel. Weighing just 2.54 pounds and equipped with an ergonomic grip, it ensures comfortable, fatigue-free use for hours. The integrated LED light helps brighten dim spaces, while the keyless chuck allows quick and easy bit changes. What truly sets this drill apart is the comprehensive 84-piece accessory kit that comes with drill bits, hand tools, and a carrying bag, providing everything you need to start your DIY projects. Powered by the WORX PowerShare 20V battery, compatible with over 140 other WORX tools, this drill is as versatile as it is reliable. Number 2. WORKPRO Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Why limit yourself to one tool when you can have an entire set? The WORKPRO 20V Cordless Drill Combo Kit includes a cordless drill driver and impact driver, providing everything you need to tackle various household tasks. Both tools are powered by two 2.0 batteries that charge quickly, ensuring you're always ready for your next project. With 2 speed settings and 18 torque positions, the drill is perfect for precise screw driving and drilling, while the impact driver delivers a powerful 1,150 lbs of torque, ideal for heavy-duty fastening tasks. Lightweight and compact, both tools come with ergonomic grips for maximum comfort and control. Customers love the included accessory kit, which features drill bits, a magnetic extension bar, and a convenient carrying case for easy organization and transport. Number 1. DEWALT Max Cordless Drill Driver. At the top of our list is the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver, a tool that exemplifies power and precision. Designed for professionals and serious deers, this drill features a brushless motor that extends runtime and enhances durability. The 7.6-inch compact design and lightweight build allow effortless maneuverability, even in tight or overhead spaces, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. With 2 speed settings and a maximum speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute, this drill is versatile enough for everything from delicate screw driving to drilling through tougher materials. Boasting 471 lbs of torque, It's perfect for working with wood and lightweight metals. A built-in LED light with a 20-second delay after release ensures visibility even in low light conditions. That wraps up our top 5 cordless drills, offering power and versatility for any project. From pro-level tools to budget-friendly picks, there's something for everyone. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.